Do you feel your legs getting weaker, stiffer, or harder to balance as you age? Many people assume this is just a normal part of growing older. But here's the truth. These are often the earliest signs of age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. The problem develops quietly. There's no pain, no swelling, until one day, you realize you need support just to rise from a chair. And you're not the only one facing this. The good news? Research shows that 3 key vitamins can help rebuild strength, keep your nerves working properly, and improve circulation in your lower body. No intense workouts, no expensive treatments, just the right nutrients at the right time. Let's go step by step through which vitamins they are, how they function, and how to use them for stronger legs quickly. This isn't rumor or guesswork. It's based on clinical studies, medical research, and years of professional experience. So stay with me until the end. Whether it's climbing stairs, standing up with ease, or simply staying independent, leg strength is essential. Most people don't realize the legs are often the first to weaken, making even basic daily activities difficult. Let's walk through each vitamin, how it works, and how to use it for stronger legs faster. 1. Vitamin D, the muscle repair nutrient. Vitamin D isn't just about bone strength. It plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis, helping your body rebuild muscle fibers and recover strength. Low vitamin D has been strongly linked to weaker legs and a higher risk of falls in seniors. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products. Supplements are also effective. Look for vitamin D3, cholecalciferol, usually between 800 and 2000 IU daily, depending on your blood levels. 2. Vitamin B12, for nerves and muscle activation. Vitamin B12 ensures smooth communication between your brain and muscles, which is vital for coordination and movement. Without enough B12, you may experience tingling, numbness, or weakness in your legs. This deficiency is especially common in older adults because absorption decreases with age. Rich sources include meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified cereals. If you're over 60, supplements are often necessary. Sublingual tablets or injections are highly effective. A general dose is 500 to 1000 micrograms daily. 3. Vitamin E, for circulation and endurance. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that improves circulation and protects your muscles from oxidative stress. Better blood flow means your leg muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which enhances endurance and recovery. You can find vitamin E in almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocados. For supplements, choose mixed tocopherols instead of just alpha-tocopherol. A safe daily amount is around 100 to 200 IU. How to combine these vitamins for maximum impact? Take vitamin D with breakfast, ideally with healthy fats. Use vitamin B12 mid-morning, especially in sublingual form if digestion is an issue. Take vitamin E with your main meal for proper absorption. Support all 3 with hydration and light activity like walking or resistance bands, which help your body use these nutrients more efficiently. You don't need heavy gym workouts or costly treatments to keep your legs strong. By focusing on these vitamins, you're giving your muscles, nerves, and circulation exactly what they need to rebuild and perform. Always consult your doctor before starting supplements, especially if you take medications. But remember, it's never too late to grow stronger and more independent.